Today we're going to try and do my personal best with the tricep extension, tricep push down. This is the equipment here. There's the stack, 95 pounds, and we're going to add a little bit more to that later on, you know, just to challenge. Okay, let's start off light. Start off light, always start off light. I'm doing this on a Monday, don't do it on a Friday. Make sure you get 2 days of rest before you come in here and do this. Have a bit of breakfast, you know, you gotta carb up a little bit. Whatever you do, don't do it after you have sex, okay? It's not gonna work. Make sure you're well warmed up with some light sets before you go for your max. Do one rep. And your excuses